Hey everybody! Today we're going on a field trip to get a four-wheel alignment on the FD, because it is chewing through rear tires.
Seriously, I just had it.
Well, we're all set, warmed up, ready for our field trip. It's going to be super weird having someone else turn a wrench in my car. But this guy came highly recommended from a good friend of mine, so we'll see what happens. Well, we're here. Let's go meet Josh. So I'm going to pull in here, and he has to bust out the ramps in order to get this thing on the alignment rack. So this should be some fun. Everybody, this is Josh. He's going to be hooking us up today, getting four-wheel alignment on the FD. It's weird to have someone turning wrenches on this thing aside from myself. You can see all the really fun stuff that looks like brake dust, but is actually tire. So this thing, it needs it bad. So you're saying you're doing some other builds?
Yeah. Big into drifting, C6 Corvette. Drift cards, painted Synergy green, angle kit, hydraulic e-brake, racing seats, just the basics. Good, just fun time car. I got my M3 that's just cruiser. It's old man special car.
Yeah,
Just lowered. It's
I wanted to compliment you on that. It's one of my favorite body styles.
Building some other stuff for a guy who built a 600 horsepower WRX. He road course races that. We have a FC RX-7 with LS swap, single turbo. It made 743 at the motor. And then we have an MR2, just doing some basic bolt-ons too as well down. Cool.
What gen MR2?
Second gen.
Second gen?
Yep.
Nice. Start out turbo, or are you?
No, well, it is turbo. We're just stock turbo. We did carbon fiber intercooler piping, bigger side mount, boost controller, gauge, exhaust, and stuff to keep it safe.
Awesome. Well, here's where we are so far. The back is
way out of whack.
The back is effed. Gotta love it, but we're not too bad in the front. So we'll get the front adjusted, and we'll see what it does to the back. Scratch that. We're gonna do the back first. I don't know jack crap about alignments, clearly. So that's why we're here. I got messed up toes. My toes are all messed up. Josh is gonna fix it. Well, according to the machine, my car is broken. Just got the FD back from the alignment shop. There's a noticeable difference in the steering, and the rear tires were way out of whack. And I'm just really thankful that I was able to get it all sorted out. And one less thing I need to worry about, and I won't be chewing through rear tires as much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.